So, hello there. This is me, Akanksha Williams. I am from Our Lady of Lourdes Church in Barasat. So, it's been a very nice experience over here, very life-changing for me. I will first start by since last 2 years, I have been planning to go for a retreat. I was very active in retreats before that when I was in my school time. Then I did not get an opportunity, or maybe the devil was there and I did not find any place to go. And eventually, miraculously, last Sunday, I met Ankit Bhaiya and Joel, one of my friends, and they suggested me, they are part of JY. So they suggested me that they will be doing a retreat over here in Auxilium Parish, Gobra. I have been here during the Father Ramesh time. So when I came here, it started off like any other retreat, but Father Tushar is very, very good. He has a miraculously nice, I think he's God gifted, the way he speaks, the way he preaches. And eventually the experience here was very, very light, like heart touching for me. During the confession, I have been carrying a very grave sin, which I was thinking that I'm unworthy of Christ, and I sometimes did not receive the Holy Communion during Masses because I thought that I'm not worthy. But during the confession session, I really, really confessed that sin which I have been carrying for like last 1 year. And trust me guys, it was a great experience. The priest who was there for my confession blessed me and told me that you should not feel unworthy because of a sin. You are loved in front of Christ. And then I made so many notes. I love making notes and I learned so many new things. I'm a person who wants to read the whole Bible once in my lifetime at least. So I understood about some Bible verses, and I got to know about how Brother Kyle and the other preachers told about the verses in the Bible which you should read, and that helped me a lot to again go back to reading Bible. I felt like I had the grace of God, but I lost it throughout these years, and now eventually I feel like I'm back to Him. I feel like I'm again a child of God, which went lost just like the prodigal son, but is back right now. So it was amazing, and eventually I made new friends here. I met so many people here, and I think this is the beginning of something new for me, because I was a person who wanted to always be a part of a missionary group or preacher group where I can go, be active, preach, go throughout all over India, do something great for other people. And now I feel like I have that opportunity. By meeting these people, they have given me an opportunity and opening to go and meet new people and be more experienced. So meeting so many people here has helped me a lot to make more contacts, and how I can join these groups, these Jesus Youth groups and other retreats, so that I can do more for other people as well, not just me. What I have experienced, I can preach to others, and I can help people's life change. Thank you.